All right, Unit 1, Formative 1, Day 6 properties. I know you've seen these before, but we're going to review them. We have the commutative property, associative property, identity property of addition and multiplication. Okay, inverse we're not going to do right now, and then we're going to do distributive somewhere else, different video. All right, so commutative property. Commutative property of addition just changes the way you write it. So addition would be like A plus B is the same thing of B plus A. Think commute to your home, to school, and then back from school to your home. All right. You can also do numbers. 2 plus 3 is the same thing as 3 plus 2. It doesn't matter the order we add things in. Same with multiplication. We can take A times B, and that it's going to give us the same thing as B times A. Alright, so like 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. So that's your commutative property. Think commute home to school, school to home. Doesn't matter which way you're going to be the same amount or the same distance. Associative property. Associative property changes the grouping. Okay, so the associative property of addition would be like 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 plus 3 first, then I'm going to add 4. Well, it doesn't matter, but you can change the order you group in. So on the right side, I'm taking 3 plus 4, then I'm adding 2. But either way, I'm going to get the same answer. Okay. Multiplication works the same. I can take 2 times 3 and then multiply by 4. Or I can take 3 times 4 and then multiply by 2. Okay, so associative property changes the order or changes grouping. All right, multiplication, identity property. Think identity is it doesn't change. So multiplication identity property is when we take 4 times 1. Well, that equals 4. Okay, so the identity property is the fact that we're multiplying by 1. If we take A times 1, we still get A as an answer. Okay. Now, additive identity property. So now I'm adding something. So what can I add to 4 that I'm still going to get 4 as an answer? And that's going to be 0. Okay, and same with letters. If I take X and I add a 0, I still get X. Okay, so the key here is identity. It does not change. What can you add or multiply that does not change the number? All right, and last one, multiplicative property of 0, just is exactly what it says. We're taking a number, we're going to multiply by 0, and the answer is 0. So 5 times 0 equals 0. A times 0 equals 0. Okay. All right, that's it. You guys have a great day.